Aloha nui oko e na ho alelo Hawaii. O wau no o kumukanu o lo solatorio mai e ho o pili mai. O make nui wau e himeni I ke kahi mau mele pili I ko'u aina hanau o ke wala uka.
Mars.
Hey.
What you doing?
Nina? Kind of in the middle of something. Just...
Oh, you stay with the Ho Pili Mai.
Yeah.
Oh, work. Hi, guys. Oh, gang. You can sing.
Well, I wanted to, and you know, better now that you're here, can you join me?
Well, it just so happened. We have a song together. You guys heard.
Well, if you haven't.
Anyway, gang, all jokes aside, we just wanted to mahalo everybody who's shown interest and commented and shared the post that we recently shared. We do have a song coming out together to celebrate Mahina Olelo Hawaii, February 1st, this Sunday. Go get it. What is it called, Hanu?
It's called Ho Olono Mai, and we were able to co-compose this melody. Lena came to me with a beautiful melody, and once I heard it, it was really fast for us to write it. It took us maybe less than 2 hours to write the whole song.
So the melody came to me, and I actually came to Hanu to write something else with the melody that I had. But we kind of talked about it, and we figured, you know, we just couldn't move from what I had envisioned at first, so we moved forward, and it was like, let's just write a love song, but kind of look at it in another way.
Yeah.
And Hanu came up with a really cool idea. Yes, it's a love song, but also to use it as kind of a teaching tool, because we're focusing on one specific like sentence pattern or sentence structure.
So the sentence pattern that we started with, that I originally had, the first line was Ho Olono Mai. Okay, so which is kind of like a command-ish. Yeah, blank mai is like telling someone to, in this case, listen to me. Yeah. And then after that, Ho Olono Mai iku uleo nanie. Yeah, listen to my beautiful voice. So we're like, okay, so that's one of the senses, yeah, that we deal with every day. And then we're like, what if we just focused on the 5 senses that we have? So each kind of line follows that same pattern and talks about the different senses. So the next one would be Ho Pili Mai, yeah, which is not only my Instagram handle, but it's also like
good branding.
See what I did there? But it's like to touch someone or be in someone's embrace and to, you know, bring people together. So that's what that Ho Pili Mai does. Yeah.
But we let's not give them everything.
Oh, okay.
But we give you a little taste.
Yeah.
So you got Ho Olono and Ho Pili. So if you want to hear the rest of it.
Oh yeah, because it gets juicier.
It gets a little juicy, which is fun because I think we as Kanaka, we celebrate love in all aspects.
Yeah.
So it was a really, really cool idea that Hanu brought up to kind of focus in and center in on senses and how we use the senses in love in our relationship. So we're super, super excited.
We are too, and you know, please buy it. Please just buy it,
or at least pre-save it, stream it a lot, please,
and buy it.
We'd love if you buy it, but please at least stream her. Yeah. But use her for your Valentine's Day posts. Coming up next month, use it for
Mahina Olelo Hawaii.
I mean, that being most important.
Yeah, and then I think the same thing is to learn from it. Like, look not only at the Hawaiian words, look at the English translation, which we worked really hard on, and I think you're gonna really like it because it shows a lot of pictures, a lot of images. But yeah, use it.
We want you to use it in your everyday life, your teaching. Your online posts, social media posts. Like, we hope this song is able to live on much longer. So yeah, we just wanted to come and kind of talk about the mele real fast with you folks. Before we let you guys go, we did want to send out a few mahalos to a good friend. I was able to kind of have him and Hanu work together for the first time. My dear brother Calvin Kanha of Djembe Studios. Mahalo, brother. Love you.
Yeah, good
fun. Thank you for being a master producer and just always having good vibes in the studio.
So easy to work with.
Yes, absolutely. Our sis, Jen, J-Rock writes on Djembe. So we're kind of giving you guys like clues and hints of who's on the song. So maybe that'll entice you to. Yeah, I mean, if we weren't enough, hopefully these other people are enough for you to go download it And who's on bass, Hanu?
My bandmate, Mr. Nicholas Lum himself.
Yeah.
From Ho and, you know,
Heva Music.
Heva Music and
Yes.
like jujitsu things. He's on it. And, you know, it just adds the perfect vibe. Him and J-Rock.
Yes. That was something that we wanted, is that the song is simple.
Yeah.
So even the music, it's definitely gonna bump in your car.
It's gonna
but
bump.
It's definitely simple, and it focuses on our vocals and the words. So
Yeah.
that's really, really fun. Mahalo to very inspired. Want to send another mahalo out to our sister Lena and
Yes.
brother Davey D for welcoming us on Island Life Live. We were able to jump on last week and talk about the song and do a live performance. So if you didn't catch that, make sure to check it out on YouTube, and also buy pre-order the song.
Yeah. And also our sister Caitlin Tully for helping us to design the cover.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
And it
She's
features my
unreal.
Papa's guitar, which we wrote the song on.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Papa's classical guitar that we sat down in the garage and wrote the song on. So
So there's a lot of love and us in the song. So
yeah,
hopefully you enjoy it.
we can't wait. Aloha mahino, aloha vai.
Will.